Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss another question number 22. Question number 22 is which statement best describe an access control list? We have four different options. We will quickly go through all the options, but before discussing the appropriate answer, I would suggest pause the video and try to pick the correct answer. So in this case, in this scenario, the correct option B is a correct answer. So now let's discuss why it is a correct answer. An access control is essentially a security mechanism that specifies which subjects, users, or entities have what type of access, read, write, execute, etc. to specific objects such as a file, folder, network, resources, etc. For each object, the ACL includes entries for subject and their access rights. This allows fine-grained control over who can do what with the object. I think in one of our previous session we have discussed about access control list. We are not supposed to confuse with the access control list which we configure on firewalls, routers, and L3 switches. That is different, but here we are talking about uh, the security mechanism in terms of subject and object. Now let's discuss why other options are incorrect. Option A, a list of all access levels that can be granted to a particular object. This describes types of permissions like read, write, execute, but not who has them. It lacks the subject and it is not an actual ACL. It is more like a permission thing. Option C, a list of all objects to which subject has been granted access. This is more likely capability list used in capability-based system. ACLs are object focused, not object focused. Option D, a list of all subjects that have been granted access to particular object. This is close but missing key element, the level of access granted. For example, read write without access level, it is incomplete as a formal ACL. Access lists are always tied to the objects and list subjects along with what option they are permitted to perform. So option B captures that full definition. Thank you so much for watching this session. This was as this is CISSP series of CISSP question series. We are attempting different questions, and also we are trying to go through all the possible options, and we are also discussing the concepts, and as well as we are trying to understand in this series why those options, the options which are not correct, why they are not correct, and the option which is correct, why that particular action is correct. So the objective of this series is to improve our understanding about some important topics. So again, thanks for watching this session. If you have any feedback or comment on this question, please share in the feedback section.